Surrounded by towering trees, this exceptional property offers a wonderful sense of privacy. It's ideally located near Illahee Country Club and nestled in South Salem's rolling hills. And the outdoor setting with an impressive outdoor fireplace is an experience all its own. Slate pathways wind around the home, connecting inviting places, including a dramatic 3-level waterfall. Inside, rich hardwood floors and distinctive finishes create a warm, refined atmosphere, with an updated stacked stone fireplace anchoring the living room. Designed for entertaining, the kitchen features Wolf and Sub-Zero appliances, a Cove dishwasher, granite and quartz surfaces, stacked travertine, and generous storage. Easily take gatherings outside or just relax by the soaring fireplace. An onyx and iron light fixture crowns the dining room. The primary suite offers its own private retreat with direct outdoor access to a quiet sitting area. The beautifully remodeled primary bath features quartz surfaces and heated floors, complemented by an impressive custom closet. Upstairs, you'll find additional flexible living space, including a generous bonus room with a wine cooler, granite counters, and built-in bookshelves, plus an additional bedroom, full bath, and an office. And throughout the property, carefully planned landscaping and mature trees enhance the feeling of privacy. As the pathways lead back to the outdoor gathering spaces, patio, and waterfall, it's easy to see why this property is so special. A beautifully appointed home with an outdoor setting designed to be enjoyed from every angle. A private retreat in the rolling hills of South Salem with beauty and tranquility all around. For more information or to schedule your personal tour, please contact Dewey Witten at the Salem Real Estate Group at 503-949-3623.